Tutorial, you understand everything. 3 days later, completely blank. This is not your problem. This is a revision problem. Watch a Flutter tutorial today. I feel confident. Open Toy Studio. After 3 days, nothing comes back. Can't write a single widget. Feel dumb. Want to quit, but the truth is, the brain does not keep when it never revisits. This is just how memory works. No talent, not intelligence, just revision. Have you ever finished tutorial and forgotten it completely after a few days? Comment forget right now because this is more common than you think. Here is the revision system used in real projects. That's what I use as well. Step 1. After every tutorial, open VS Code or Android Studio immediately. Build one small thing from memory, even a button, even one screen. Step 2. Save notes in Notion. Not long notes, just 3 bullet points. What was learned, what was built, what was hard. Step 3. Use ChatGPT or any AI tool you are using to quiz yourself. Ask it, quiz me on Flutter widgets. Let it test you. This is how you learn coding fast in 2026. Revision beats rewatching every time. Comment revise below 20 comments and the full video is coming. Full revision system inside built for mobile app development beginner. Real tool, real step, no fluff. Save this now. Share it with one person who thinks they are bad at coding. They are not bad, they just never revised.